Is your music option not showing you on Instagram? Well, Instagram Music Sticker was launched in June 2020, allowing users to add their favorite piece of music to the story they publish. It offers a different experience to those who engage with that particular story with music. Unfortunately, sometimes you may see that Instagram Music is not working problem, and also some users are saying the music feature is unavailable in their Instagram story. Now, if you have this issue, no worries. So let's see how you can solve the problem and get back the music feature. Tap on Hold Your Apps. Tap App Info. Scroll down and choose Battery Saver. Choose No Restrictions. Go back, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. After that, now you need to do two work at once to get the music feature on your device. First, you need to open Play Store, type Instagram. Now make sure to update it. Now you need to change your internet IP server on your device. So also you need to download a VPN for that. Just tap on the search, type VPN, download a VPN, now set it up. Choose a country. Now go back to your Instagram apps. Now enter the credential. Tap on the story. Choose a picture. Now tap on the sticker. Now if you can't find the music feature, tap on search. Type music. And after that, you'll be able to find the music option on your Instagram. If you guys still have issues with your Instagram story, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.